Good morning, boys and girls, teachers, and staff, and welcome to Wednesday, January 16th of 2019. Boys and girls, just a reminder today for some announcements. We have early dismissal today, so we'll be dismissing at 1:05 today. Also, access testing begins today, and access testing will be happening down in the library. And we will have a test proctor come get the students. They probably will need their Chromebooks at some time, so just make sure that is readily available for them. For January birthdays to announce for today, happy birthday to Jacob Schuler. I hope you have a great day on your birthday. Also for lunch choices, we have French toast bites with sausage, cheesy baked pasta with roll, or Italian sub. And today we have some fourth grade girls here to talk about our pause.
All right, for today, for our pause, we're all going to talk about being respectful. So we have three fourth grade girls here who all have examples about being respectful.
Be quiet in the halls. Don't talk when a teacher is talking. Be respectful in the cafeteria when leaving your coffee.
Those are great suggestions. Thank you very much, girls.
Thank you, girls. Those are very good. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, it is time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing. I pledge
Allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you, girls, for our Pledge of Allegiance. And everybody have a great day today. It is the middle of the week, so let's make sure that we have a positive day today. And also, just a reminder, once again, early dismissal. So hopefully you made arrangements for it with your parents and families to be picked up at 1:05. Thank you.